This is the sink and hot water package, and it connects seamlessly to hub. Let's talk about the details. So first of all, we have the stainless steel sink with the pre-connected drain hose and fittings, and the fitting on the end of the drain hose connects directly to our wastewater cap on our wastewater tank. The faucet is connected to the mounting plate, and the mounting plate connects directly to the top of the cart with 2 bolts, and the tool to tighten those bolts is included. So on the faucet there is the hot side and the cold side, and I'll show you how to make those connections. So beneath the faucet here you will see there's tags on the lines. There's one that's called mains supply in. So that's the one you're going to want to plug into the hub to bring water into the faucet. And then there's another tag that says to tank inlet. So you'll plug that into the tank inlet. And then the flexible silicone tubing will be for the hot water, and that goes into the remaining larger inlet on the hot water heater. Just want to kind of work that hose over that stainless tubing. There is a finger clamp here, and you can just slide that clamp over that tubing, which locks it in place. And that is how the faucet's connected. Now, with the tank, you'll want to make sure that when you start it up, it's in the off position until you are sure that the tank is full of water, and then you can start adjusting the temperature and heating the tank up. Let us know if you have any questions.